All right, let's try to draw a cube and dissect it into 3 identical pyramids, right, on SketchUp. All right, so let's do that. All right, first I'm going to click on this guy and then hit backspace. He's gone. All right, so I'm going to use this tool to draw a square. So I'm just going to click on the origin and pull a little bit. Then I'm going to just type in 100, comma 100, then hit enter. Right, so you have a square, 100 by 100. Then we can use this push and pull tool to pull this up a little bit. Then you can just type in 100 so that we can make sure that the height is 100. Right, so we have that. Right, then we just have to start cutting. Right, so I'm going to use this. So I'm going to add an edge from here to there. Right, and then click on this vertex, and then I'm going to add an edge to there, just to click there. Right, then this one you cannot see, but I'm going to just go from here and then go kind of diagonally to that edge, that vertex there. Right, then what we're going to do is I'm going to make a group. Right, so I'm going to right click on this face, and also hold the control key down so that we can choose the multiple faces, right? And then I'm gonna choose that face, right? Then right click, then we're gonna make a group, right? Then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have to separate this, so I'm gonna use this rotate tool, right? And I'm gonna rotate about the green axis. So we can just use the arrow key. So if you do right arrow, and or left arrow, and here if you found the green one, so I'm going to click on the center of rotation, and then I'm going to just click on the one of the vertex here, right? Then start to pull. Oops. All right. Start to pull here. I'm just going to put 90 so that it rotates 90 degrees. Right? We got here. And then you notice that here, if you see inside, right, and here it's actually open, so we have to close that. So I'm going to choose this group and then kind of break the group so it says explode. So explode it, right? Then we're going to add an extra edge there. So we're going to add the edge from here to there to form that pyramid that we want. Then we're going to add this face here. So I'm going to just the control key down and then click that. And then I might have to go around to the back side and then choose that too here. So here, make sure to control key down and then choose that. Right click and then make a group. Right. So if you want, you can separate this. Maybe I'll just pull it out. So I'm going to use this tool and click anywhere and then pull it to the side, just to separate it. So we got that. Right. So next thing is we're going to split the remaining one into half. Right. So I'm going to add an edge right here. Right. So I'm going to just choose the here edge tool. So from this vertex to that vertex there, right? Then I'm going to have to make a group again. So I'm going to make a group here. I'm going to choose that face and the control key down and that face there. And I'm going to have to go around and choose the bottom side there. So I'm going to, so control key down, choose it. Right, then right click and then make group. Right, so this time I'm going to rotate it about the red axis. Right, so I'm going to try that. So rotate tool. Right, so red one, find the red one, and then here's the center of rotation, and then I'm going to move that guy 90 degrees. So I'm going to put the 90 and enter. All right, then again, you're going to have a problem with the opening here. So you have open faces here. So I'm going to, let's see, there's open face. So I'm going to have to first explode the group, right? Then add the extra edge there. So edge tool. Maybe I'll just put the edge here. Actually I can't I can't see it, so I'm gonna have to, let's see, go around. So yeah, you can see it there now. All right, so I'm gonna go from here to there. All right, then I'm gonna add this face here. Control key down and click it. All right, right click and make a group. All right, then I'm just gonna separate this. I'm just gonna pull it out. So use this guy and then just pull it to the side. All right. Then we have, let's see, I'm going to go around and look at it. So we have 3 identical pyramids. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.